Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host Elgin Martinez from the Immigrant Edification Channel, the only channel that addresses real immigrant issues, coming to you with another informative video. This video is going to be about how any immigrant in the U.S. can get a copy of their immigration file using what is known as a FOIA, or a Freedom of Information Act. Ladies and gentlemen, say for example, you want to find out what the status is of your immigration case. You've gone to uscis.gov and you're not able to see the status of your case. Or say for example, you are in a removal proceeding. Maybe you have a cousin that is interested in maybe hiring you an attorney or getting you some kind of legal help, but then they have no knowledge of what charges are levied against you. Then in that case, you can use what is known as a FOIA request so as to have the charges released to your legal representative. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, every immigrant has a right to see copies of what materials U.S. immigration authorities have on them. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most puzzling aspects of the U.S. immigration system is knowing what information the government might have on an applicant or a petitioner. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, in some cases, a foreign national looking to apply for immigration benefits can run into problems and even have his or her case denied because the government relies on background information that the foreign national might not have known existed, ladies and gentlemen. That being said, thanks to what is known as the Freedom of Information Act, the Freedom of Information Act allows persons wishing to see what information immigration authorities have on them or another individual, with that person's consent, can request a copy of the relevant immigration file. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, FOIA requests can be critical in cases where an applicant history matters to the success of an application, such as in a removal proceeding where the person in removal, attorney or representative might need to know the charges that's levied against them. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, you might not get to see all the information in your immigration file. Reason is that immigration authorities have the right to cross out or redact some parts of the FOIA request, usually names of government officials or information pertaining to persons other than you, the authorized subject of the FOIA. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, a FOIA request should not be made in every or any situation. In addition, records prior to 1982 will not be available through a FOIA request, ladies and gentlemen. How to make a FOIA request? Ladies and gentlemen, when making a FOIA request, there are 3 steps to follow. Number 1, figure out what kind of information is needed about your immigration history. 2, determine which government official or immigration agency has the information you need. 3, identify the specific reason why you need your immigration file. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, making a FOIA request is very simple. The easiest way to make a FOIA request, ladies and gentlemen, is to go through the Department of Homeland Security website. It offers a DHS FOIA Privacy Act request form. Furthermore, you can use USCIS, which offers a form known as G639 that can be found online. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, the person whose record are sought must give consent either before a notary public or through a sworn statement. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this video. Please share, like, subscribe. Also, ladies and gentlemen, please do not hesitate to comment on the videos and also suggest if there is any specific video as it relates to immigration that you might want me to make.